Dear student, today we are going to start a new topic which is types of reaction. Yes, mainly there are 6 types of reaction and one by one I will give the introduction. I am not teaching all the 6 type of reaction in this video. No. For each and every reaction I will record a separate video. Like if you talk about combination reaction, decomposition, substitution, exothermic, endothermic, redox, for all the types of reaction, if there are 6 types of reaction, I will shoot 6 different videos. Let me introduce you all the types of reaction one by one now. See, the type of reaction, the first is synthesis reaction, which is also known as combination reaction. Okay, what is combination reaction? Combination reaction is a variety, that type of reaction in which 2 or more than 2 elements will combine. Example, like suppose C plus O2, CO2, like C plus O2, okay. So, it will convert into CO2. You know these things very well, okay. See, I am not explaining the combination reaction. I am telling you that yes, combination reaction is one type of reaction, okay, in which 2 elements will combine together to form a new product, okay. Let me tell you the second type of reaction now. Redox reaction. Dear student, what is redox reaction? So, such reaction or such class of reaction in which oxidation and reduction, both the process occurs simultaneously. Such reaction in which oxidation and reduction, both the process takes place simultaneously, known as redox reaction. So, this is one type of reaction. You must remember one thing in redox reaction, Leozer. What is Leozer? Leozer is loss of electron is oxidation, gain of electron is reduction, okay. I hope you understood, loss of electron is oxidation and gain of electron is reduction, okay. So, I told you what is oxidation reaction, that is Leo, and what is reduction, that is GER. Leozer. And in any reaction, if Leo and Ger both takes place, means loss of electron and gain of electron both takes place, then that type of reaction is redox reaction. Let me introduce you next type of reaction now. Neutralization reaction. What is neutralization reaction? Dear student, you must heard the word acid and base. Okay, when acid and base both reacts, then it forms salt and water, and that type of reaction is neutralization reaction. So, reaction in which an acid reacts with a base to give salt and water. Okay, you can have any type of acid like HNO3, HCl, H2SO4, so many types of acid, and base like NaOH, KOH, so many varieties. Okay, when acid base both will react to form salt and water, that type of reaction is known as neutralization reaction. Yes, I will record separate video on each and every type of reaction. Let me tell you the next type now, precipitation reaction. Such reaction in which, understand, such reaction in which 2 compounds will mix together. 2 compounds will mix together to form new product, and the product is not dissolving in the solution. Product is not dissolving in the solution, like salt doesn't dissolve in the water, okay. So, product is not dissolving in the solution and settling down in the bottom. If you try to dissolve sand in the water or mud in the water, what happens? You leave, after leaving it will settle down at the bottom. So, that is a type of precipitate. So, such reaction in which precipitate forms, which is not able to dissolve in the solution, that is called precipitation reaction. I will surely shoot the separate video on this topic. Let me show you next type now. Substitution reaction. What is substitution reaction? Dear students, see, if suppose you have XY, okay, and AB. X is with the Y and A is with the B, or you can think in this way, X plus AB. Okay, see, understand here, X plus AB. What happens actually, X is more powerful than A. X is more powerful than A. In chemistry, powerful means more reactive. X is more reactive than A. X is more powerful than A. So, what will happen? X will come here to the A and A will afraid actually, because A is less powerful, A is poor and X is rich, X is very powerful. So, when X will come close to this AB, then A will leave the position, okay, A will leave the position, A will disappear from here and then X will occupy its place. So, X is coming here and forming XB. What happened here? X removed A and X occupied its place. It is a kind of substitution, my dear student. So, such reaction in which one more reactive element will substitute the less reactive element, that reaction is known as substitution reaction. So, XB forms and A will also form, but A will sit silently somewhere. Okay? So, this is what the substitution reaction is. Now, let me tell you next type of reaction now. Decomposition reaction. What is decomposition reaction? See, such reaction in which one compound decomposes. How? You must heard electrolysis. If you don't know, no need to worry. See, what is electrolysis? What happens? You take water. Of course, water is liquid. Okay. And you provide electricity. Electric current you supply to this water and you add few drops of acid also, because in pure water electricity cannot conduct. So, to conduct the electricity, to flow the electricity, you should add few drops of water. Understood? Now, what happens if you do this process for long time, then H2O separates. H2O decomposes and converts into H2 and O2. Okay. H2 is a gas and O2 is also a gas. Can you see that here H2O, but here H2 and O2? Yes or no? AB converts into A and B. In the same way, H2O converts into H2 and O2. You can balance the equation, it is your wish. So, 2 hydrogen, here 2 oxygen, now 4 hydrogen. So, here you can write 2, here also 4 hydrogen. See, balancing is a different thing. I will explain balancing of chemical equation in separate video. Don't worry about that. Okay. What you try to understand here is H2O is decomposing into H2 and O2. So, such reaction in which the compound decomposes into its constituent elements, okay, known as decomposition reaction. Example is electrolysis of water. Dear student, in this way we have completed the types of reaction, whether it is combination, decomposition, substitution, precipitation and so many types, and I will definitely shoot a separate video on each and every types of reaction. Thank you.